Great Oaks Practical Nursing Program is a 12-month full-time program, and it is aligned with the Ohio Board of Nursing's Nurse Practice Act for LPN. And so we're going to focus on the essential nursing core courses and skills that will provide students with entry-level knowledge to enter into the healthcare field. So what's going to make our program different or unique to other licensed practical nursing programs or practical nursing programs is that our program is an accelerated 12-month program. Also, we do not require prerequisites like a lot of our other nursing programs. We're just going to focus on the main core courses, so students do not have to worry about getting those prerequisite courses done before being accepted into our program. Something that will give them more one-on-one in smaller classroom setting.